guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do a soak off. So the first thing that I'm going to do is trim down the nails with this Kiss nail cutter, and by doing this it allows you to have a faster process when removing acrylics. And then after this I'm going to be taking this XXX coarse cone nail bit, and I got this off of Amazon. Anyways, I'm going to be using this just to remove the gel polish and also to thin out the acrylic. I also want to mention that I'm using the Melody Susie Scarlet Nail Gel, and I'm using it at a 10,000 RPM. Next, I'm going to go in with a manicure bow and just filling it up with 100% pure acetone. And then I'm just going to put my hand in there and just wait about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and we're going to scrape out the acrylic. So after 5 to 10 minutes have passed, we're going to take out the nails, and as you can see, it's really like flaky. If it's not flaky, then it's most likely your nail tech or the nail shop that you're going to is using MMA, which is really bad for your nails. But I'm going to use a cuticle pusher and just removing the acrylic like this. You don't want to push down too hard. So you want to repeat the process if you still have leftover acrylics. So I repeat this process for about 2 more times, just because I don't really like leaving my nails in there for like longer than 10 minutes. I also like to take my nail bit that I used earlier and just also go in to remove the acrylics, and you want to make sure that you don't touch your natural nails. But yeah, I just use this to like thin it out more and just to make it like easier to get off. So the process was taking a little bit long, so I was getting impatient, so I just got a bowl and I filled it with hot water, and I just put my manicure bowl on top of it just to speed up the process. So after all the acrylics came off, I just went in with a nail clipper and just clipping off my nails. And then I'm going to take a hand file and just filing my nails into like an oval shape, just because I'm going to do a fresh new set. But you guys will see that video after, I think, my next 2 videos or something like that. But yeah, so this first video that I'm doing, like I said, and the title is how to remove acrylics, and then the second video will be prepping, and I guess my third video will be my full set on myself or something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope that you guys find this video helpful. But anyways, I see you guys next time.